Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to adjust the audio volume in CapCut. This is perfect for balancing sound in your video. Let's get started. The first step is to import your video. Open the CapCut app and start a new project. Import the video with the audio you want to adjust. And you can as well continue with an existing project. The next step is to tap on the video clip in the timeline to bring out the editing option, then tap on volume. A volume slider will appear. Drag it to the left to reduce the volume and to the right to increase it. You can preview the audio as you adjust it to find the perfect level. If you have multiple audio layers like background music or voiceover, adjust each one individually by selecting it and using the volume slider. And that's it guys, you successfully turned down the audio in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching and happy editing. Bye bye.